Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark mode, and we can also schedule the dark mode, and in dark mode settings we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle. Then we can adjust wallpapers dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then, we can change screen color mode between Vivid, Natural and Protone. In Protone we can select Cinematic and Brilliant. Also, you can change screen color temperature between cold and warm. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its intensity, and select its mode between color and black and white. Next, we can adjust font style, font size, and font weight. And also enable or disable adaptive font weight. Then we can change display size between large, standard and small, enable or disable image sharpener, video color enhancer, video motion enhancement, bright HDR video mode. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable screen refresh rate at high or standard or auto select. In the end, we can enable full screen mode for apps. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.